WordPress is a popular content management system that allows you to create and manage websites easily, even without extensive technical knowledge. Here are the steps to create a website using WordPress. Choose a domain name. Select a unique and relevant domain name for your website. You can purchase one from domain registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Bluehost. Get web hosting. Choose a reliable web hosting provider that supports WordPress installations. Some popular hosting options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. These hosting companies often offer easy one-click WordPress installations. Install WordPress. After purchasing web hosting, follow your hosting provider's instructions to install WordPress on your domain. Many hosting platforms have a simple WordPress installation process that can be completed within minutes. Select a theme. Browse through the extensive collection of free and premium WordPress themes. Choose one that suits your website's purpose, design preferences, and functionality requirements. You can find themes on the official WordPress theme directory or through third-party theme marketplaces. Customize your website. Once you have installed a theme, you can customize your website's appearance and layout through the WordPress customizer. You can change colors, fonts, and other visual elements to match your brand. Install plugins. WordPress plugins extend the functionality of your website. Install essential plugins such as security plugins, e.g., WordFence, SEO plugins, e.g., Yoast SEO, and contact form plugins, e.g., Contact Form 7, to enhance your website's performance and user experience. Create pages and content. Start creating essential pages for your website, such as home, about, services, contact, etc. Add high-quality content, images, and videos to engage your visitors. Test and review. Before making your website live, thoroughly test its functionality, responsiveness, and compatibility across different devices and browsers. Review the content for accuracy and clarity. Launch your website. Once you are satisfied with your website, it's time to make it live. Set your website to public mode, and it will be accessible to visitors from around the world. Regular maintenance. Keep your website updated with the latest WordPress version, themes, and plugins. Regularly back up your website to avoid data loss. Remember that this is just a basic outline to get you started with WordPress. As you progress, you may discover more advanced features and customization options available in WordPress to further enhance your website. Good luck!